Good morning, students. Last class we finished about the series and parallel combination of the capacitors. Some circuit problems they will give and how to solve the circuit problems like that we will discuss in this class. Mainly three types of circuits will be there. One will be normal connections, another one will be infinite series circuits will be there, third one will be redundant circuits will be there. Basing on that, problems will be there, circuit type problems. How to solve that problems, let us see. Mainly two types of connections will be there. One will be series combination, another one will be parallel combination. If the capacitors are connected like this, we can say this combination is a series combination. Charge divided at some point and that charge will meet at another point, then the capacitors in between that 2 points will be in parallel. Simple only. Charge will divide at some point, that charge will meet at some point. The capacitors in between them will be in parallel. If same charge is there and the capacitors are same current is there, if these are resistors, then they will be in series. We will do some problems basing on that. Then you will get some clarity about this. Okay? We will start doing the problems. Next slide heading. Examples based on series and parallel combination of capacitors. Examples based on series and parallel combination of capacitors. See, first example you see. For example, if they asked, here two capacitors are there. Here two capacitors are there. This is point B. This is point A. Capacities are 3C, 6C, 9C, 18C. Find the effective capacitance between A and B. That is the question. So 3 and C you observe, these two will be in series. 9C and 18C, these two will be in series. What is the effective capacity formula in series? If two capacitors are there, C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. So C is common only, so 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. 3 into 6 will be, here how much it will be? 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. This is 18 by 9, this will be 2C. You observe here, 9 and 18, these two are also in series. So 9 into 18 by 9 plus 18 will be 27. 9 3's will cancel, 3 6 will cancel. So this will be equal to 6C. So by removing these two, we can replace a single capacitor having capacity 2C. Here we can write a capacity having capacity 6C, a capacitor having capacity 6C. These two will be in parallel. Understanding? Then CAB is equal to 2C plus 6C. So answer will be 8C. Okay? The effective combination for this will be equal to 8C. Next. Take one more example. Like this, some 10 examples we will discuss to understand about this. Next, B. Values if you take This will be 8C, 12C, 24C. Here it will be 8C. Here it will be 4C. Find the effective capacitance between A and B. That is the question. You observe these two, how these two are there. Here charge is divided. Those two charges are mixed here. So these two will be in parallel. In parallel, what will happen? Effective will be 8C plus 4C. This value is equal to 12C. So by removing these two capacitors, we can place a single capacitor having capacity 12C. So what will happen? You write the remaining 3 as it is. Here you write 12C. This will be 24C. This is 12C, 8C. So by removing these two, we can replace a single capacitor having capacity 12C because these two are in parallel. So what is the effective capacity? 1 by CAB is equal to, C will be common in all of that, 1 by C1, 1 by C2, 1 by C3, 1 by C4. Clear? LCM of all of this if we write, that will be 24. Here 8 3 times will cancel. 12 2 times will cancel. 24 1 time will cancel. 12 2 times will cancel. So 1 by CAB is equal to 8 totally by 24C. 8 3s we can cancel, then CAB is equal to 8 3 times will cancel, then CAB is equal to 3C. So the effective capacity of this combination will be 3C. Clear? See one more. Next, see, you see how the question is there. Capacity values will be, here this is 12C, this is 6C, 3C, 6C, 6C, 24C. Find the effective capacity between A and B. That is the question. See here. Charge started from here. This charge, how much it is started, that should finally reach to the point B. That is the aim. So it reaches to here, then it will find two ways. Some amount of charge traveled like this. Some amount of charge traveled like this. The same charge came to here, came to here. This charge will come to here, forming the same charge and reaching to the point B. For example, any value you take. For example, 100 microcoulomb started from here. It came to here. It find two ways. Equally you take, no problem. 50 microcoulomb traveled in this way. Another 50 came to here, traveling this. This 50, this path 50, totally it may, how much it will be? 100. Again 100 will reaches to B. Okay. So no logic will be there here, how equally it is divided like that. It's not like that. What you have to understand is, here divided, in this same amount of charge will be there. So these two will be in same amount of charge, means those two will be in series. So this will be in series, this combination. What is the effective of that 2? 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. 18 by 9 will be 2 coulomb. So if we redraw the circuit, how it will be there? Here A, here it will be 6C, here it will be 24C, here B is there. By removing these two capacitors, we can replace a single capacitor having capacity 2C. Understanding? Initially try to draw the diagrams. After practice, no need for the diagrams. Single diagram only we can solve. Understand? 2C, 6C. These two will be in parallel, obviously. Here charge is divided, that charge is coming to here. So these two will be in parallel. Effective will be C1 plus C2 means 2C plus 6C. That value is equal to 8C. By removing these two, we can replace. Draw the third diagram. This is third, this is first, next, this is third, like that you take it. This value will be 12C. So 12C, 8C, 24C all are in series. So 1 by CAB is equal to 1 by C into 12 plus 8 plus 24. LCM value will be 24. Here this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, LCM. 6 by 4, 6 by 24 means 4. This value is equal to 1 by 4C. So 1 by CAB is equal to 1 by 4C. Then CAB is equal to 4C. So what is the effective capacitance of this circuit means 4C. Understanding? Take one more example. Next D, you draw the circuit. What is the effective capacitance between A and B? Here you take. Charge should start here. Okay, for your understanding only, this is assumption. For example, 200 microcoulomb started from here. Here. It came to here. It will travel like this and it will come to here. It will find two ways. This will be one. This will be one. Through this some 100, through this some 100. Assumptions only, all these are. So this 100 came to here. Again it find two paths. This will be one, this will be one. Here 50 microcoulomb, here 50 microcoulomb. Same 50 microcoulomb will comes to here. This 50 microcoulomb came to here. This 50 already there, na? Then how much it will be? 100. This 100 came to here. Already this 100 is reaching. 100, 100 totally 200. Again it be how much it will be there? 200 microcoulomb. It started from here, same amount it will reaches to here. Then you see, in these three, same charge is flowing. So those are in series. Clear? Then just for understanding only, this is so in these three, same charge is flowing, so they will be in series. So three identical capacitors are in series, n identical capacitors. Effective will be equal to C by N. Here three identical capacitors, each having 6C. So 6C by 3, that will be equal to 2C. So the effective of these three will be 6C by 3, that is equal to 2C. Again, if you redraw the diagram, starting you write down, later on practice no need to draw the diagrams. Simply by removing these three, we can replace a single capacitor having capacity 2C. Here 4 is there. This will be 6, 6, 6, 6. Here it will be 4. Clear? Now observe 4C, 2C, how these two are there. Here charge is dividing. These two charges are combining here. So these two will be in parallel. In parallel, what is the effective capacity? C1 plus C2, 4C plus 2C is equal to 6C. Then again, if you redraw the circuit here or here only, you can write, removing this 2C, we can write here 6C. 4C, 2C means 6C. Again, see, these three are in parallel, series. Then how the circuit will be there? 6C, 4C, 6C, A, B, and by removing these three, I can write a single capacitor, replace, having capacity 2C. 4C, 2C, how it will be there again? Parallel. Effective will be how much? 6C. This will be 6C, 6C, 6C. All will be in series. Effective value is equal to 6C by 3. So CAB is equal to 6C by 3. So that is equal to 2C. So what is the effective combination of this capacity of this combination means equal to 2C. Take one more example. Here all capacitors having capacity C. This is A, this is B. Find the effective capacitance between A and B. Clear? How to do this one? You take any 100 microcoulombs or 200 microcoulombs. Circuit is simple like that. 100 will take. 100 started from here. means it is coming like this. 50 will travel through this. 50 will travel through this. This is how much? 50. This is how much? 50. In this same charge is flowing, na? These two will be, how these two will be there? In series. This 50 came to here. In this 25. In this 25. This 25 came here. This 25 came here forming 50 microcoulombs. This 50 forming 100 microcoulombs. Now tell me how these two are there in series. How these two are there in series. One by one we will solve and we will get. So here point A is there. Here point B is there. By removing these two, we can write a single capacitor having capacity C by 2. Why? Series, na? C by N. Two identical, so C by 2. This will be same C. Here it will be C. Again it will be C. By removing these two, we can replace a single capacitor having capacity C by 2. Is it understanding? These two are in series, na? In this 25, in this 25 microcoulombs. These two will be in series. Here charge is divided, this charge is mixing here. So the effective of this is parallel to this. So these two will be parallel, simple. Parallel means what will happen? C plus C by 2, this will be 3C by 2. By removing these two, we can replace with 3C by 2. Draw one more diagram. Here C by 2. Here it will be C. This is 3C by 2. This will be C. This is A, B. You observe here, these three are in series. Clear? This one, this one, this one, all are in series. That effective will be parallel to this. We will find that value, how much that is. The effective of these two, these three I am assuming it as C dash. 1 by C dash is equal to 1 by C1, 1 by C2. It becomes 2 by 3C. 1 by 1 divided by 3C by 2 means 2 by 3C. Again it will be 1 by C. So 1 by C dash is equal to 3C. Here 3, here same 2, here 3. This is 8 by 3C. C dash is equal to 3C by 8, the effective of this 3. That is parallel to this C by 2. So CAB is equal to 3C by 8 plus C by 2. LCM will be 8. Here 3C, here 4C. Totally it becomes 7C by 8. Understanding? So one circuit is there. That circuit's effective capacity will be 7C by 8. Clear? Take some more examples. Like this one circuit is there, values will be 12C, this will be 4C, this will be 12C, this will be C, 2C, 6C. What is the effective capacity between A and B? That is the question. You observe here, these two will be in series. These two will be in parallel. This effective will be, these two effective will be in series with this. Simple circuit only I am drawing here. This is 12C. 4C, 12C in series. What is the effective? 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12. So 4 into 12 by 4 plus 12 will be 16. This will be 3C. Here it will be 3C. Removing this. This C. C to C will be in parallel. Na? Effective will be how much? 3C. This 3C, 6C in parallel, series. So how much? 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6, 9. So this will be 2C. Means 2 will come, effective will be 2C. So this will be 2C. Here B. Understanding? These two will be 3C. 3C, 6C will be in series. So effective will be 2C. You observe these three will be in parallel. So again if we redraw the circuit, here 12C. Here how much to write? 6C. Sum of these three will be, all will be in parallel. Here current is divided into charge and all are mixing here. So just these are wires, na? We can join the bottoms. All will be in parallel. So effective of this will be CAB is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. 12 into 6 by 12 plus 6, 18. 6 3s, 3 4s will cancel. CAB is equal to 4C. The point is clear? Like this. Questions will be there. By doing number of circuits, you can easily get the idea how to solve the circuits. Take some more examples. Next, G you see, circuit is like this. Like this one circuit is there. Here it will be 6C, 6C. Here it will be 3C, 3C, 3C. Here it will be 6C, 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 6C. Like this one circuit is there. They are asking to find the effective capacitance between A and B. Here charge will find, if charge entered at A, started from A, it will find 5 ways to travel. This is one, this is one, this is one, this is one, 5 ways it will find to reach to the point B. You observe in this same charge will flows. So these two will be in series. Effective of these two will be equal to 6c by 3 means 6c by 2 means 3c. Then how much we will get this c? Removing these two, we can replace a single capacitor having capacities 3c. Again this 3c will be in parallel. Effective of these two will be equal to 3c plus 3c means 6c. Okay. 6c will be again in series. Effective value will be how much then? 3c. This 3c again will be in parallel. Effective of these two will be equal to 6c. Write one capacitor. Here you replace it as 6c. 6c again will be in series. Effective will be 3c. Three C again in parallel. Effective will be 6c. Like this we will get. This 6c will be, now what will happen? Charge entered here, it will find two ways in this same charge and again it came to here. So this 6c will be in series. So what will happen? Here A, here B. This is 6c, this will be 3c. Clear understanding? Then these two will be in parallel. Effective of these two will be 3c plus 6c. This value is equal to 9c. We will discuss some more examples in the coming class. These examples it will take 1 or 2 lectures and we will start doing the problems. Okay, today we will stop with this.